Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to copper grease brake pads. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported and the wheel is removed. Then, carefully remove the brake caliper and pads. Clean any rust or debris from the caliper carrier and pad shims. This preparation is crucial for effective application and long-lasting results. Remember, a clean surface is key to preventing future issues and maintaining optimal brake performance. Before applying, thoroughly clean all contact points where the brake pads meet the caliper carrier. Use a wire brush to remove any rust or old grease. Once clean, apply a very thin, even layer of copper grease to the back of the brake pads, the edges of the shims, and the caliper slide pins. Remember, a little goes a long way. Too much can attract dirt. Ensure no grease touches the pad's friction surface or the brake rotor. After applying the copper grease, carefully reassemble the brake components. Ensure the pads are seated correctly and the caliper slides smoothly. Torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. This is vital for safety. Once everything is back together, pump the brake pedal several times before driving. This restores hydraulic pressure and ensures the brakes are firm. Always double-check your work for peace of mind. Using copper grease offers significant benefits, including extending the lifespan of your brake components and preventing common issues like squealing and seizing. It makes future brake maintenance much easier, saving you time and effort. For more tips on vehicle care and other great deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books on the go, you'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there too. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.